Workshop Addict will show you where to find the horn on a Volvo XC90, 2016. From the engine bay, the horn is located at the very bottom, right next to the radiator. It's not easy to see from the top, but you can spot it deep behind the front bumper. Looking from the wheel side after removing the inner fender liner, which in this case is already off, you'll get perfect access to the horn. So if you ever need to replace or check the horn, the easiest way is to remove the wheel arch liner. That's it, quick and simple. Thanks for watching, and see you on Workshop Addict for more car repair and location guides.